Abebembezi b'ebyamagara omu Ryantonde bayooreka okukwatwa bw'endwara ya siriimu kweyongyera kushenshera omu baana b'amashomero, enshonga erikwegyekyeerwa okwejumbira omu by'omubonano bakiri omu mashomero.
Basize kukyebera abantu 13,825 people, and of those people that we tested, 366 turned out HIV positive. Then of those positive people, we went ahead and divided 15 to 19 years. Of the 366 positives, 33 people were under age 15 to 19 years of age.
So twasanga ngu ekikurete ekyo na teenage pregnancies abana tubakitina sirimu tubakozesa kondomu abana nabagirenda zibatetegurire, so ekyama nabyo twatujyo mu mashomero tukugezaho kuba encouraginga ngu babirigeho abstaining
babatura abazire hamwe n'abashomesa bari kuhingira abana babishye bakiri bato baraburwa.
For example, in our district Lyantonde ogenda okwesanga nti abana bava mu masomero batebaagala, of which these students are forced by their parents. Ogenda okwesanga the parent is not having money, talina sente ziwerera mwana amufumbiza asobola ofuna sente alabirire family.
Aha byokwerinda obwinazi n'ebishyikirizo omu mashomero, abashomesa hamwe n'abeegi bashaba okuzohabuzora amisho na munonga abagenyi batari ba burijo abarukwijo mu mashomero.
Nindabura amashomero againe za gate konka batari kucekinga abantu abari kutaha mu mashomero. Oboryoha noikirizibwa kucekingwa nk'ekiragiro cy'ishomero kukirigamba
okukira okugamba cy'abashomesa abashomesa twantongera kubahiga kundi ihangari yawe wano kundi ihangari yawe tokuzomba shomesa bakuba bari mu za boda boda tokuzomba shomesa barukorayo izoba rumwe mu kwezi tokuzomba shomesa abo kushanga basinzire bagwira amhanda
ihanga turiyo twongera kugambira abanyayuganda kurukunda ahabo kuba batarikunzire tarwara tukunde ihanga oyine kurukunda orukushoma oryo mweji.
Ehuru ya patriotism yahereze kuhika mu mashomero agarimo St Gonzaga, Kyabuza, Ian College hamwe na Ganda matendekero. Amakuru gashakwa Sandeke William.